Hey everyone! Today we're comparing two popular digital whiteboard tools, Miro and Microsoft Whiteboard. Both help teams brainstorm, collaborate, and visualize ideas, but depending on your needs and workflow, one might be a much better fit than the other. Let's break it down so you can decide which tool works for you. 1. Purpose and core strengths. First up, Microsoft Whiteboard. It's part of the Microsoft 365 ecosystem and integrates nicely with tools like Teams, OneNote, and Office apps. If you're already working inside Microsoft's world and just need a simple board for meeting notes, sketching ideas, or light brainstorming, Whiteboard is handy and very accessible. Now Miro. Miro is built for broader, more flexible use. It gives you an infinite canvas, tons of templates, mind maps, flowcharts, retrospectives, advanced features like voting, frames, structured workflows, and works across many devices and teams. If your collaboration goes beyond quick sketches and into full brainstorming sessions, planning, workshops, multi-team projects, Miro shines. 2. Ease of use and learning curve. If you're just starting or you already live in Microsoft Teams, Whiteboard offers a familiar interface. Add a board during a meeting, start writing, sticky notes here and there, that's pretty straightforward. On the other hand, Miro offers more capability but means slightly more setup and learning. You'll spend more time exploring templates, configuring boards, learning its full tool set. But once you're comfortable, you'll find it's very powerful. 3. Features and flexibility. Here's where Miro pulls ahead for many users. Miro's template library is vast, ready-to-use boards for workflows, workshops, agile sprints. Miro supports large boards, many participants collaborating simultaneously, multiple device types. Miro integrates with many apps beyond Microsoft: Slack, Jira, Google Drive, Trello, and more. Microsoft Whiteboard's strengths lie in its simplicity and Microsoft integration, pen/tablet support, embedded in Teams, easy for basic use, but it lacks some of the rich toolsets, large-scale collaboration features, and advanced templates that Miro has. 4. Integration and ecosystem. If you're already in the Microsoft ecosystem, Teams, Outlook, OneNote, SharePoint, Microsoft Whiteboard is very convenient. Everything works together. But if you use mixed tools or want a board that connects to many workflows, Miro wins for integration breadth. It doesn't lock you into just one ecosystem and can fit a wide range of tools and teams. 5. Best use cases. Choose Microsoft Whiteboard if you are working mostly inside Microsoft Teams 365. Need a simple tool for meetings, quick sketches, light brainstorming. Don't require advanced workshop facilitation, large templates, or cross-tool integrations. Choose Miro if you collaborate across disciplines: marketing, design, dev, operations. Run workshops, sprints, visual planning sessions, large teams. Use many tools or apps and want your whiteboard to integrate widely. 6. Final verdict. In the end, there's no one-size-fits-all better tool. The best choice depends on your workflow. If you're embedded in Microsoft and keep things simple, Microsoft Whiteboard is more than sufficient. But if you want flexibility, full collaboration capability, and a board that can grow with you, then Miro is the stronger choice. If this comparison helped, hit like, subscribe for more tool reviews, and leave a comment telling which board you're going to try out and why.